So here's this old table saw. I'm going to move this out to the shed edition, and I raised this toad up and discovered that a wren had built a nest under here, so the moving's going to have to wait. We'll let her hatch out and raise her little ones. What do you guys want? Pileated woodpecker here that's in the backyard. Something's wrong with it. I'll try to get a little closer. Been a while since I've seen one that close up. I wonder if that's a young one. Pecking around, I buried some lines to take the water away from the house. It comes down the downspouts. Are you injured? That would be my guess. Oh, that's got to be a little one. A young one, not a little one. Yeah. No, don't be afraid. If I knew it would eat some corn, I'd bring it some. Really not quite sure what to do with it. I don't want to catch it with bare hands because I've seen what they can do to a tree with that beak. Hear one calling back to it. Well, we just have to let nature take its course. I'll keep an eye on it, see what happens. Got an old table saw here. Settle down. I was going to move this thing about 2 weeks ago, and I discovered that a bird had built a nest in here. She might fly out. No, but you can see the little ones. Now those are little wrens. Boy, how they have grown. Alright, let me put this back down. I'm gonna aggravate them. Cute though. I'll leave you alone. Here, and they're just starting to hatch out. One egg's not hatched. She'd laid eggs here before, and a snake apparently climbed up this pole here and must have got them. So, but she laid eggs, and now she's hatching them out. So hopefully these will do okay. Cool. See her? There's the nest. There is the hummingbird. Alright. Come back later. See what's going on. Got some serious overcrowding going on there. I won't climb up there because if I frighten them little fellers, they'll start jumping out of there. A couple more meals and they won't be fitting in there together. So those are little Phoebes. Neat. This hen is hatched out. Put them little peepers back in there. And that old piece of ductwork elbow. Now, do I need to help them out of there? Or can you do it, Mama? Now I'll have to check on them little guys. Like I said, they will lay eggs and hatch anywhere they can. What we do, they had some eggs there, so we just put some straw down, but excuse me, they weren't setting on it, so we just gathered the eggs. Well, looks like you got a pretty good batch there, Mama. Alright, I'll be back to check on you. Check them out. Just hatched them out. This is our little furnace room here. Yeah, I ain't gonna hurt them. Let me leave her alone. I was just gonna show you all this hummingbird nest. Let me get back here away from air conditioners and everything else. There we go. That is a hummingbird nest. And that's the nest the hummingbird was sitting in that I filmed. I had to wade out in the water and get it. It's the first one I've ever seen. I don't think they use them year after year. It doesn't look like it was holding up too well to the weather. So when she evacuated and the baby flew off, I waited out there and got it. The limb was rotten anyway, so. But yeah, that is Really cool. Kind of spongy. You see those are lichens on the outside, which makes for excellent camouflage. But anyway, that is a hummingbird nest. Alright. Later, folks.